In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best sewing machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the sewing machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. Portable Sewing Machine for Beginners. This portable sewing machine is a fantastic entry-level tool for beginners and sewing enthusiasts alike. Featuring 12 versatile stitch patterns, it allows users to tackle basic to creative projects with ease. The built-in threading guide ensures quick setup, while dual power options, battery or adapter, provide flexibility. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for small spaces or carrying on the go. Whether mending clothes or starting new DIY projects, it's a reliable, user-friendly solution. Number 4. Multifunction Electric Sewing Machine. This multifunction electric sewing machine is designed with both style and function in mind. It offers 12 built-in stitch patterns to accommodate various DIY sewing tasks. The LED sewing light provides excellent visibility, especially in dim settings. A built-in thread cutter and a mini hidden drawer make your sewing experience smooth and organized. Ideal for beginners and hobbyists, this compact and modern sewing machine brings quality, ease, and convenience to every home. Number 3. Compact Sewing Machine with 12 stitches. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, this portable sewing machine offers 12 stitch patterns and a user-friendly design perfect for beginners. With dual power options, AC adapter or batteries, you can sew anywhere. The intuitive threading guide helps you start fast, and the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Whether for repairs or creative sewing, it's a handy, travel-friendly solution that doesn't sacrifice functionality. Ideal for small projects or starter kits. Number 2. Portable Industrial Sewing Machine. Engineered for both home and industrial use, this portable electric sewing machine delivers high-speed performance at up to 10,000 RPM. It features an all-copper core motor for consistent power and durability, while the ergonomic handle ensures easy manual operation. Compact and powerful, it reduces labor effort without compromising quality. Ideal for professionals and DIYers handling thicker fabrics or frequent use, it's a reliable machine for demanding sewing tasks. Number 1. High-Speed Electric Industrial Sewing Machine. This high-speed electric sewing machine is built for industrial applications such as bag sealing and fabric stitching. Its compact design minimizes physical strain and maximizes efficiency. Capable of handling various materials and bag types, it includes essential tools for routine maintenance. Automatic trimming and powerful motor functions ensure clean, precise results. Suitable for workshops and businesses, this machine enhances productivity with professional-grade performance.